yesterday on Futures Trading Channel, actually, here, we talked about that price here, and they rotated from it. That's what's on that thumbnail. They hit it. I'll show it to you on the chart. I see they're trying to turn back around. I told you guys in yesterday's video that they would break this pivot. And I even told you that this one over here is weak as well, but they're wanting to push up. So I'm gonna look at it with the indications, allow you to see it as well. If you've been following me for any time, you know that these circles, they're the push X circles, and so they do not supposed to close under the bar. However, when they happen, they can rotate. They had an acceleration of them here. They didn't want to come back below the first one is really a problem, and then when they got up here, they gave you one, and then they leaned over. And again, once they come in, they shouldn't go and close behind the bar, but you should expect some kind of rotation here. And as you can see, if you just look at those circles on the way up, that's what you have. Now, these squares, and this is in addition to the suite that I've made as far as an update, they're important. I want to go ahead and tell you that it's what kind of got this going and got them stuck down here. And so you had them break these, all right, and that's bad. And so this particular pivot right here held them for a little while, and of course they leaned over and they took back off. These zones just take two bars to actually create, so don't think it takes a lot. It don't. They had that square up here. They broke past it, came in right there, and then of course from there they just took that dive. So those squares are really important. Again, that's an addition that I made. They pull right into that zone. Again, it's a two-bar zone here, and it's powerful. And of course, they move down. Same thing with this. They pulled into it and just dropped. They got really close to this one. They're coming up to this one. I do suspect that this market will move lower, but I wanted to show it to you from this perspective. All right, so that way you have some kind of an idea of what's behind this move back to the downside and what's sitting above you. All right, so I wish you all the best with your trading. Again, I do believe that this bottom right here is weak. I do believe that they can get through this. I did tell you in yesterday's video, it's just this is pretty good for a turn. In my opinion, I do believe that they can move lower. I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.